1,100 meters, stand by now for a dispatch. And they're on their way. Magdapio draws for your lead. Moving a party outside the wind, then followed by entry number 4, and that's Speed Up Pyramid as they race towards the half mile. We have Magdapio in command by about a length and a half. Wind in second, the Speed Up Pyramid, then moving up Paris Melody. Doctor Choice comes next, Ecomac, and On Your Knees. Rounding towards the 450, it's Magdapio maintaining a length and a half lead over Windy Wind in second. Racing in third, Paris Melody. Doctor Choice now in fourth as they race for home. It's still Magdapio by about 3 lengths. Paris Melody now in second. Windy Wind is sorry outside. Doctor Choice Speed Up Pyramid with 100 meters up the race. John Ryan Pamboy Ponce is scoring once again, this time on Magdapio. Paris Melody, Dr. Choice Speed Up Pyramid, Win the Wind, Ecomac, and On Your Knees.